In this story, tradition, intuition, and consistency are vital. Tradition in the values handed down over the years. Intuition, constantly looking to the future. Consistency in remaining faithful to our ideals. Vital is having a vision, training oneself to non-stop research, enhancing safety. A perfect recipe that naturally makes us work in perfect harmony with our client. Proud, authentic, 100% Italian ingenuity. Vital is having ideas, signing a unique design, selecting reliable materials, tracing a definite line. Looking to aesthetics with perspective is vital. Drawing ever-fresh solutions passionately. Vital is that innate ability to answer questions even before they are asked. And that is called experience. It reveals itself through service and expands over time, taking the shape of success. The importance of doing a vital job grows from all these things, because all these things together are the most important ones in Vitali since 1953.